In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter your Social Security SSA 1099 information in TurboTax. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to TurboTax, then sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct tax return before continuing, especially if you've worked on more than one return before. Once you're signed in, take a moment to let the dashboard fully load so you can navigate smoothly. From the main area of your return, look for the section called Income and Expenses and open it. This is where TurboTax organizes different types of income, deductions, and tax documents. If you don't immediately see everything on the page, that's normal, since some categories are listed farther down. Next, scroll down until you reach the area labeled Retirement Plans and Social Security. This section includes income sources related to retirement benefits and government-issued benefit forms. When you find it, look for the option for Social Security, which may also show the form names SSA 1099 and RRB 1099. Then click Start next to that section to begin entering your information. Before typing anything in, it helps to have your SSA 1099 statement in front of you so you can enter the numbers carefully and exactly as shown. Accuracy matters here because TurboTax uses these amounts to calculate how your Social Security benefits affect your tax return. When prompted, enter the values from Box 3, Box 4, and Box 5 of your SSA 1099 statement. Be sure to match each amount to the correct box in TurboTax. Take your time and double-check the numbers before moving on, since even a small mistake can affect the information reported on your return. If a box on your statement shows 0 or is blank, enter it only the way TurboTax requests on screen. As you complete this section, review each entry once more to make sure it matches your form exactly. It's a good habit to compare the screen to your SSA 1099 one final time before continuing. This can help you avoid having to come back and correct something later. Once those box amounts are entered, you'll be ready to continue through the rest of your return in TurboTax. That's all it takes to enter your Social Security form information accurately and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.